How can you reduce your car insurance premium? While insurers calculate premiums differently, there are a number of things you can do which may reduce the cost of your car insurance premiums. These include, but are not limited to, parking your car in secure parking, such as in lock-up garage, if possible, to reduce the risk of theft, vandalism, flood, or storm damage claims. Buying a car fitted with an immobilizer or a security alarm, or having them installed. This may reduce the risk of theft and damage claims. Driving less often. For example, catching public transport to work. Some insurers may offer lower premiums for drivers who don't use their car frequently. Limiting the number of drivers nominated on your policy, especially if they're under 25. Fewer drivers means less risk of a claim for your insurer. Choosing a higher excess, which means you're taking on a larger part of the risk from your insurer. Choosing to insure for market value or a lower agreed value, which will reduce the amount your insurer has to pay out should your car be written off. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.